Here is a quick demo of the Infographic Generator on Word.Studio. Start by going to Word.Studio and searching for Infographic Generator. Okay, let's start with your title. This is the big umbrella phrase at the top of the infographic. In this example, we'll type, "How to make." Think short, broad, and clean, because this becomes your headline setup. Next, add the subheading. This is where you finish the thought. Here we'll enter a grilled cheese sandwich. So now the full headline reads like a complete idea. Simple, specific, and not trying too hard. A rare internet achievement. Then move down to Infographic Text. This is where you describe the process you want the tool to turn into visual callouts. Keep it clear and direct. For this example, we'll type, "Describe the process of making a grilled cheese sandwich." You do not need to write a novel here. In fact, shorter usually works better. Now choose the type of infographic. Since we're showing a sequence of steps, select Process. That tells the generator to organize the content as a step-by-step flow instead of, say, a comparison or list. After that, pick a style preset. We'll choose Comic Book. That gives the final graphic bold outlines, punchy colors, and dramatic little bursts of energy, which, frankly, is exactly the kind of respect a grilled cheese deserves. You can also use custom style if you want to steer the look even more, maybe vintage, minimal, or school poster clean. But for this run, we'll leave it blank and let the preset do the heavy lifting. Then click Create an Infographic. After a short wait, the tool generates the final result. A fully illustrated comic book style infographic with a title, numbered steps, and visual callouts showing the full grilled cheese process, from buttering the bread all the way to the finished sandwich. If you don't like the result, tweak the form and run it again. When you're happy with the result, just right-click or long press the image on mobile to download to your computer or device.